What are you doing? Open, reset, grime. Ink. Multi-line logic condition. Maybe we have to do this. I don't really like this, but let's see if this works. So file, export, override this. Is this the right, like, space? Dialogue game. Game dialogue grime, yes. Okay, save. Replace. And then if I go to my NPC, Chief Grime. Yep, okay. Let's check the doors again. You guys are making me thirsty. That line made me thirsty. Oh, I added emotes. Do they work? Yes. Yeah. Do they, like, look okay? They do, okay. I generated those with AI. Oh, Nat. Okay, yeah, get some rest, Nat. What? Somebody gave a sub. Anonymous gifter. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you, anonymous gifter. Well, thank you, whoever did it. That's amazing. No, it says anonymous. We have a Santa Claus. We'll say thank you to Santa. But seriously, thank you very much for gifting subs. I really appreciate it. All right, let's check daughters. All right, Nat, have a good night. Let me try increasing the radius on it, M. So let's look at the door. Because you're right, it was quiet. It's the door. Doors. So I was standing about here. So how... So I think that's the problem, is that maybe I should make this like 5. So that's like... That's the sphere where it will be 1. It will be the loudest. Maybe 4. And then it will get lower or quieter and quieter until it gets to this one, and then you won't be able to hear it. So maybe this one actually should be like 15. like, if the door opens, you shouldn't be able to hear it over here. But maybe if you're like within this, it'll get quieter and quieter as you get away, or louder and louder until you get here. And then the door should sound like, if you're here, the door should be. Actually, let's make that 5. So if I'm here, I should hear the door full blast. And then as I go away from this bubble, it's less, and I can't hear it from here. So if I'm here, I can't hear it. That doesn't seem right. Let's go back to 20. So if I'm here, I'll see the door, but I can't hear it. So let's do that. If a door opens in the woods and you're not around to hear it, does it make a sound? If you're using Fmod, apparently not, because you're out of the radius. I think that's better. I think it was just the radius. I think you just need to adjust it. I think the volume's fine. Why is this like floating? This bugs me. I feel like this is right. I just don't like this. I'm gonna have to put something there to like block it. Like a rock. Well, yeah, so you were talking about on stream, like, you know, having Unity yourself, you'll be able to go in and test it, right? Let's clone this D. And then let's make this like 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. We need a different one. Does that leak in? No, it doesn't. Okay, does it leak in over here? No, it doesn't. Okay. Oops. When did I start? I've actually been working in Uni since 20. 12, I think. If I remember, like, I went to Unity Asset Store. 1 second here. I go here. Go to my assets. And then I go to my very first purchase. All the way back. It's not even here anymore, I don't think. Yeah, where's that? That's interesting. But just make sure there's nothing on this. Yeah, so if you look, the very first thing I ever got off the Unity Asset Store was September 2nd, 2012. And September 15th, 2012. July 14th, 2013. So 2012. That's how long I've been using Unity. And I'm pretty sure that oh, Pandar, sorry. How you doing? I'm pretty sure I had an asset before that, which I don't see anymore there. It might have been deprecated. It was like I bought a character model. That was like my first purchase was like a $15 animated character model because I wanted to learn animation. Yeah. In fact, was it there and I missed it? Was like the deprecation thing turned on? Hold on. Deprecated. Yeah. Okay. If I go to deprecated and I go to the last one. Oh no, it's not here. Where's that character? Hidden? Oh, there it is. September 3rd. Female warrior. September 3rd. First character I ever bought. Doesn't exist. Oh, it still exists. I should make something with this character if I can still download it and it still works. Just because. It was actually a pretty neat character. Full details. Oh, no longer available. You can download a copy by going here. This person's still on the... They are. They still do models. Oh, wow. They really upped their game. From that model to 12 years ago. Good for them. These look beautiful. Oh, I actually have these. How did I get Toon Dinosaurs? It's probably something free. But these look great. These cats. That's impressive. They have animations? They do. Not bad. But yeah, if I go back... I have so many assets. Like it was a hidden asset. It was this. I think it had animations too. But I'll have to download it and play with it. Anyway. First thing you ever bought was goodies. Did you make a game with it yet? Add dinosaurs to the dungeon. Her name was Xena. Hey, Nether. No. Come on, Pandar. I don't even know if I'll use them. I just wanted to support. Yeah, no, I bought them too. I do want to use them. I just haven't come up with an idea yet for them. I could have possibly used them for this, right? Because she has the fantasy one. Let's see. So, adventure pack. Right. So it's a town. I don't think she had a dungeon, right? Yeah. So, but we could use them for a town. She did, oh, what happened there? She did the kitchen. She did do a farm one, right? I thought the medieval thing had a town. Had like a farm. But these look so cool. I gotta find something to do with them. Maybe one game jam. Like I was hoping to use them in the game jam, but then I came up with this idea, so I didn't. P4 Connect to connect Unity to Perforce. Now it's built in. Sorry, Pandar, you wasted your money. Photorealistic texture stands. Yes, I got that. Yes. On Fab, right? Is that what you're talking about, Steph? On Fab? The mega scans? So if you go to fab.com, this is Unreal's kind of universal asset store. And you can claim this. If you claim this, you get all the mega scans for free. And I did. I logged in and I claimed this. So I have this. This is what Steph is talking about. Yeah, you should just go do it now. Go right now, Steph. Go right now. Sign up on Fab with your Epic account. Log in and you just click the button. Click the button. It's easy. All right, so we did the door. Oh, we have to check the quest again. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong! Alright. Okay. Sweep. Sweep. Let's go to here. Inventory. Let's give myself 999, 999. We'll need wood. Oh. Wood. Iron ingots. By the way, everyone I've played the song to, like my friends, I've played the Grimes theme to. They love it. They absolutely loved it. You knocked it out of the park. You really did a great job with it. It's reset again. It reset again. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Grime. How do we set the parameter? Story state. Okay. Did we set it up right? Yeah. It's listening for the Grime quest. All right, so let's play this out here. So debug.log. Oh, thank you, Copilot. And then let's go into here. Oh, it's possible that the dialogue is empty at this point because the quest was completed. The quest was completed. Update dialogue state. So we also need to store it here. We need to do dialogue dot set variable state quest complete equals. Okay, so false. Let's just set that to here. So how are we doing this right now? Is active is quest service is active. So we'll do bool is complete, and then we just need to set this. And is complete. Okay. So now let's go into this and implement this method. We'll say if, oh, but that's okay. So we got to think about this. This quest definition, we don't want that. So let's do, how should we do this? Maybe just a private static dictionary completed quests. completed quest equals dictionary. Let's define that there. Okay. Start quest, complete quest. We'll add it there. And then here, we will say, let's make this public. Quest definition. Actually, we'll say if completed quest, try to get value, story handle. So if we get one, we will return true. Otherwise, we will return false. Okay, so anytime we complete a quest, we're just going to store that quest in completed quests. And then we, in order to check if the quest is complete, we will try to fetch that quest out of the completed quests dictionary. Technically, it could just be a list of story handles. We don't even need to store the actual quest, but we'll do it this way just in case we need the quest data for something. And going back to the dialogue, where we go back to the controller, we're updating the variables of that dialogue to include the parameter. So this should work. I'm using VS Studio. The reason why I'm using VS Studio over Writer is because I pay for Copilot and Writer doesn't support Copilot right now. And you have to pay for Writer in order to use their AI, their built-in AI. And I heard it wasn't as good as Copilot, although I would have to use it for myself. I don't trust some of that feedback. Copilot's really good though. I like Copilot. You hate the Doors? You have full suite? Yeah. I wish I did, because I would use their tools more. It's just, it's really expensive. I'm trying to get it through work though. So keep your fingers crossed for me. So we need to do that. Oops. Yep, I do the same kind of work for healthcare. Backend dev for healthcare. Oh, okay, that worked. We fixed it. Thank you. You have now completed the demo. And then what I would like to do is when we continue that is to fire off an event to get a thank you for playing screen, and that will bring you back to the main menu. Yes, we're young at heart. Next thing we need to do, we need to fix crafting, because there is a problem with crafting. So if I grab grab that. And we craft this, and then we craft... So let me look at the player inventory here. Okay. Let me get more. I think the issue is that I need another set, because I think the problem is the iron chunks stacked to 3. Oh, maybe not. Ah, the iron ingot stacked to 3. Okay. So the iron ingot stacked to 3. And the bug is, if I go here and I craft one, and then I actually, if I add like another one, so there's 2 iron ingots in my inventory, but they're in 2 different stacks. If I try to craft, it fails. It says there's not enough resources. But there is, but the problem is it's checking stack by stack and not combined. So we have to look at that and get that working. So let's go to our crafting system.